And it's recording. Hi, I'm Tapan. Welcome to the channel. If this goes well, this will be my first YouTube video. Honestly, it has taken so many trials and so many takes till now that my whole focus of this video has shifted from anything at all to just me being comfortable in front of the camera. But in the process, I hope I can tell you a little bit about myself and give an insight to what you can expect out of this channel. I finished my education in photography in 2010 and almost immediately started taking up photography jobs. A lot with events initially, and then slowly moved towards doing work for corporations, photography as well as video production. It's been 10 years and I've really enjoyed this time. I got to travel to different places, stay in nice hotels, work with different teams. It's all fun, but something happened 2 years back. I got this camera out of my father's cupboard. It's a Pentax K1000. And I'm going to say that this camera is my introduction to photography. As a child, I've played a lot with this camera. The Pentax is a great camera to learn photography on. And the reason for that is you can actually open the film and you see the shutter. Or when you press the shutter, you can actually see the aperture blades closing in. Maybe I should actually do a video at some point for this camera and to talk more about it, my experience shooting with it. But coming back to using this camera after so many years again, it changed something in me. Shooting film itself changed something in me. And the reason for that is when you look at a film photograph, you almost immediately filter out all technicalities of the photograph. And I'm not saying that you don't need to be technically proficient to take a film photograph. In fact, you really need a lot of technical knowledge to be able to take a good photograph on film. In fact, I have spent countless rolls on this camera, even doubted my knowledge of photography just till I got one decent picture. But that photograph puts the intent behind the picture front first. Everything else becomes secondary. And that is what I love about film photography. In the last 2 years of shooting film, I've seen a lot of curiosity amongst people around me about film. What camera I'm using, where do I process the film, how does film work even? And this is great news, it makes me happy. So I decided to add 2 more things to me being a commercial photographer. Firstly, to shoot a lot more film for myself. And second, I want to make film easily accessible to people. And that's why I bought this camera. It's a Yashica TAF. It's a very simple point and shoot camera, and this camera I bought for people. It is for everyone to use. I intend to give it out to whoever wants to take it for a weekend getaway or even keep it for an entire week to just shoot whatever they like. And I'm sure people will love it. I already put a Lomo 400 as a test roll in this camera. I took it on a bike ride in the morning to a nearby reservoir, and later in the day, I was meeting a few friends and I had them use the camera and take some of our pictures as well. This camera is so easy to use, so easy to carry. It was great fun. Let's go through the pictures now. hope you like the pictures. It's such a simple camera to use. In fact, the next thing for this camera is all of my friends that you saw in the pictures, they are going to take this camera and keep it with them for a couple of days and take maybe 4 or 5 pictures and pass it on to the next one. This will be a fun exercise and I'm really looking forward to seeing what pictures they take. Well, I guess this is it for today and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this is coming out well. So yeah, subscribe, like, share, all those mandatory things, and I'll see you for the next video.